YouTube. Welcome to Eat with A. My name is Elena, and we are about to eat. Okay. Today we are having Chinese chicken with pork fried rice, with sweet and sour sauce. I entered a challenge. Okay, I entered a challenge today by that Alex and Alicia presented on their page, so I'm just entering the challenge. So today, like I said, I'm having a Chinese mukbang, and I'm doing a story time, y'all. I got me some sparkling water here. Let's do this. Let's eat. Let's pray, and then we're gonna eat. Amen. All right. So today, I gotta have some. This is a pork fried rice with an extra onion, and I asked them to put an egg in the rice. Okay, duck sauce. So today I'm going to be letting y'all know my experience the first time I got high. Okay, put some hot sauce, duck sauce, and soy sauce in the rice, and I got me an egg roll deep dug in here somewhere. Let's do this. I never had chicken and sweet and sour sauce before. Let's try it. Y'all bear with me. I'm just getting over a cold, so please excuse my sniffling and coughing. Okay. Oh, I can dig that. That's good, actually. That's pretty good. Anyway, so first time I ever got high, I was 15 years old. This is good. I was at my boyfriend's house, cutting school, being grown, trying to do everything I want to do. So, my boyfriend at the time, he later became my son's father. But anyway, he was a smoker. He always smoked. I never was interested in it, you know. So, I ain't Jamaican, okay? I'm not trying to stereotype by no means, but you know, they be blowing it down. So, smoking in his house is normal, okay? So, rice. It's good. So, okay. So one day, I'm with him, and I'm watching him roll up, and I'm like, you know what? I want to try it today. So he's like, you sure? Uh-huh. I'm gonna try it. I'm a mark in my blood. I could do whatever I put my mind to. Let's do it. So he had, it's weed, and he put some hash in there, okay? So, he rolls up. And then, I'm laying down, mind you. He likes a lot. That's good. And he hits it, whatever. So, I'm nervous. Okay, y'all, I'm nervous. Excuse me. Well, he don't know that, and I ain't gonna let him know I'm nervous. I'm scared, okay? So, I'm laying down on my stomach, and he passed me the blunt. So, while laying down, I hit the blunt while laying down. So he goes, okay, so I hit the blunt. Now, with smoking, I didn't know, like, you can't feel the smoke in your mouth. Like, I just did not know. So I pull, and when I pull, I pull a big pull. Like, so I let it out. So he looked like, yeah, all right, she the one. That's how he looked at me like, oh yeah, this is cool. She can handle it. So I pull another one. I mean, I pull again. Mm. Mm. Oh. Mm. So now I'm a pro. All right, so I give him back the blunt. And I began to laugh a lot. Like a whole lot. I can't stop laughing. Anyway, so I'm laughing. He just looking at me. He laughing, you know, because we tripping together. You know, so he goes, you gonna hit again? I'm like, I'm good. So then, I'm sitting on the bed, and next thing you know, I hear in my head. So I'm like, dang, like, that helicopter is flying real close. So he like, what? I'm like, you don't hear that? So he starts laughing. He like, nah, you tripping, like you bugging. This chicken, this is good. So he like, nah, I don't hear that. I don't hear nothing. I'm like, this is what I do. Excuse me. I'm like, so you telling me you don't hear that? So when I realized when I'm clapping, I can't feel my hands clapping. Y'all. I can't hear. I mean, I can't feel my hands clapping. So then I went to go touch my leg. And I can't feel my leg. So I can't feel me feeling me. Okay? I can't feel me feeling on me. Okay? I start bugging. Oh man, that shrimp fell right in there. Shrimp roll. Huh? I start bugging y'all. I don't like that that's in there. Alright, so he laughing. You think it's funny? For me, I'm scared out of my mind. So he laughing. I could tell he's nervous too. So he like, you know what? I'm like, I need a paper bag. I can't breathe. I'm bugging. I hear this helicopter in my head. I'm bugging. He like, yo, just go take a shower. Like, you died. Just go take a shower. So, you know what? That sounds like a good idea. It's good. So I go take a shower. And I feel fine. Like, I feel fine in the shower. So I stay in there mad long. So I finally get out. And then it's like when I get out, I start bugging and I cannot feel my body, y'all. Like, I really cannot feel, like, I cannot feel myself. Like, if I touch myself, it's like I can't feel myself. So I got out the shower. Why? That's when I started feeling crazy again. So I go in there. I'm like, listen. I'm like, Omar, I gotta talk to you. So he looking at me like this. Omar, what is she about to say? He looked scared. So I'm like, listen, the police gotta be called right now. Look on his face. He was like, Lena. You want me to call a Babylon now? You know? But he's serious. He put on his Jamaican accent. So he goes, I can't call the police. I'm like, yeah. Like, we gotta call the ambulance. Like, we gotta call somebody because I can't feel my body. Like, this is crazy. So he was just looking at me because now he's scared. So he's like, now we cannot do that. So I'm like, all right, cool. So I'm pacing the floor now. Pacing the floor now. So I'm like, all right. I'm like, all right, Omar, I got it. Okay. All right. He like, what? I'm like, I'm gonna go stand in the street. Middle street. I'm just call the police, y'all, and tell them that some mad girl is in the middle of the street bugging. And, you know, you fear for her safety. He gets real scared then. He's like, yo, I never smoke with Dram. I never smoke with Dram. So I'm crying because I'm scared, y'all. Like, I'm really scared. I'm crying. And so I go to the window. Open the window. He thought I was going to jump. I open the window because I'm like, I need some air. I open the window. I start praying. One thing my mama taught me, boy, you better pray. I'm high, and I'm praying. So I just went to sleep. After that, I went to sleep. And I woke up. And it's time for me to act like I went to school. But honestly, the side effects of that stuff, I felt that stuff for months. It went away, like every now and then it would hit me, boom, and it would come back. I couldn't feel myself. Like my leg or something, if I was touching myself, I could not feel myself. Well, some people just ain't smokers. And I am one of them. I'm just not a smoker. I did try it again though, you know. Later on in life, it's not for me. I'm the smoker that will bug out, like start laughing. And just, I feel like heavy. It's just not for me. Anyway, that's my story time. me and Omar, we laugh about it to this day. That was crazy what happened. I'm like, yo, you lace that blunt. You're like, no. Nah. Anyway, you guys, please like, comment, subscribe on this video. The world. Please like, comment, subscribe. And share if you care. Y'all really gotta try. I have eaten a lot of these chicken wings. Woo. Y'all gotta try that sweet and sour sauce with these chicken wings. I got some eggs in my rice. That's what that stuff is, eggs. I got an egg in my rice and extra onion. I am ashamed to say how many of these I ate today. Anyway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely hope Alice and Alicia pick me. Whew, I'm full. Thank you guys again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your day. Bye.